Drake, just let it run. Hey yo, turn the beat up a little bit. Hey yo, this song is for anyone. Fuck it. Shut up and listen.
Even though you're living so far from me, girl, I feel like you're right next to me. No distance can hold my love I got for you, I'm committed. I don't have no confidence in me to tell you how I feel about you. You got a smile that got me shy, girl, that's why I'm getting nervous for you. And on our late night talks on the phone, hoping that I'll be your man. I want you to know how lucky I am to call you my world. And on our late night talks on the phone, hoping that you'll be my one. She makes my day, even though she lives so far away. My pretty, pretty princess, you know my love belongs to you. How distance can hold my love. Tell me what someone's supposed to do when I can't kiss you through the phone. Hold you when you're alone, I'm going crazy. I can't wait till the day I make you mine forever. We look back on these memories and it's all the late night talks on the phone, hoping that I'll be your man. I want you to know how lucky I am to call you my world. And on a late night talks on the phone, hoping that you'll be my one. She makes my day, even though she lives so far away. Even though you're living so far from me, girl, I feel like you're right next to me. No distance can hold my love I got for you, I'm committed. I don't have no confidence in me to tell you how I feel about you. You got a smile that got me shy,